Hello people, so today we will be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 846, that is hand of choice, and in this we will be having Alice has a number of cards and she wants to rearrange the cards into groups so that each group is of group size and consists of group size consecutive cards, okay? And in this we'll be given an integer and a hand where a hand is the value written on the ith card and an integer group size, and we have to return true if she can arrange the cards or false if it was, okay? For example, we are having 1 2 3 6, so the Alice hand can be rearranged as 1 2 3 2 3 4 and then 6 7 8, so my output comes out to be true, yeah, that it can be arranged, okay? But in the next case it's not possible to arrange these cards into a group size of 4, so that's why my answer comes out to be false, okay? So for this, firstly what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if firstly, okay, the case that it's, I guess, yeah, it's not mentioned. So it will be only be, it's only possible to divide the cards if the n mod, the group size is like length of the hand is mod, group size should be equal to 0. Okay, in that case only we will be able to divide the cards. Okay, so firstly we'll begin with if hand dot length mod group size is not equal to 0, in that case we will just returning false. I don't think so that this will be the case, but let's not add a wrong summation to the answer, okay? Then what I'll be checking is that firstly we'll be sorting the hands arrays dot sort hand, and it will be a kind of brute force approach only, but yeah, it works, it works. And n-square solution will be accepted because the constraints are 10 to the power 4 only, okay? Then what I'll be doing is I'll be having a and let's say my current number, which is initially 0, then a follow, and okay, so we have done with the declaration part. While my current is less than nums dot length, my current plus plus, then what I'll be checking is that if my hand of current is greater than 0, while we'll be checking this, it's greater than or equal to 0. Okay, there might be a case where having equal values also. Then what we'll be checking is that if not, we cannot find successor, let's say the find successor, or if not is valid, is possible, okay? Let's call it as possible to form a hand. In that case we'll be passing the in this will be a function, we'll be passing a hand array, my group size, my current value, and yeah, this in this case we'll be returning false, else we'll be returning a true. Okay, now let's quickly write this function. This will be private boolean is possible. This will be having parameters int hand, okay, int group size, and my current value. Let's call it int current. Okay, so the next value which will we have to find will be int next will be equal to my hand of current plus 1. Okay, so this will be the next value which we'll be having to find, and in this case we'll be marking my, like, which or which will be using the indexes will be my marking it with -1, so that's why I put a case that it should be greater than or equal to 0, okay? So we'll be marking it -1, and let's have the size variable which is initially 1. We'll be checking basically if it's possible to form a group or not, okay? And my current, I'll be moving it to the next point, okay? So then my while my current is less than hand dot length, and my size is my current size is less than my group size, okay? In this case what I'll be having to do is if my hand of current is equal to my next value, I need to mark that particular index also as -1, and I'll be increasing my size variable. So what I'll be doing is I'll be changing my next will be equal to hand of current plus 1. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be marking my hand of current equal to -1, and I'll be incrementing my size. Else what I need to just do is I need to increase my current pointer, and at the end I'll be returning that if my count, oh, not count, yeah, basically size should be greater than or equal to the group size. Just this, okay, group size. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, num dot length. It's just a muscle memory. Hand dot length. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, and now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Oh, it's the fastest solution. Wow, I'm amazed. Okay, so yeah, this works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching.